Welcome to watch today's Fresham. A colorful 650 square meters wooden chalet in the English countryside. Interior designer Nicola Harding has infused this property with centuries-old charm using natural materials and an impressive amount of zellige. To create this paradox, Nicola Harding introduced the immediate history through handmade natural materials, imbued with depth and a natural patina. Handmade zellige tiles, with their irregularities and imperfections, appear throughout. The timber frame remains exposed, intentionally left exposed to the air to age gracefully over time rather than being sealed.